San Jose, California. The San Jose Earthquakes announced today that Avaya Stadium will host 2018 FIFA World Cup viewing parties, an opportunity for fans to watch every match of the tournament on the stadium's large video board. Held every 4 years, the FIFA World Cup is the world's largest sporting event, with more than 1 billion people tuning in for the final in 2014. Tickets. California Clasico at Stanford Stadium is around the corner. On certain days with high-profile group stage contests, including Spain vs. Portugal on June 15 and Germany vs. Mexico on June 17, as well as the final on July 15, extra and stadium activations will be present inside the stadium. Food trucks, inflatables, FIFA stations and more will be available for fans to enjoy during and in between the matches. Free coffee will be given to all fans who come for the earliest match any day of the group stage. Fans are also encouraged to dress up in support of their favorite team or player, with the best-dressed guest winning a prize every day of the competition. The Earthquakes are also offering several enter-to-win prizes, including tickets to both the Quakes vs. Manchester United friendly at Avaya Stadium and the California Clasico at Stanford Stadium, and a VIP viewing package for the FIFA World Cup final, complete with food and beverage, team jerseys and a private screening area for 10 guests. The complete schedule for the 2018 FIFA World Cup is below. Date, time, PT, stage matchup 6:14 8 a.m. Group A, Russia vs. Saudi Arabia 6:15 5 a.m. Group A, Egypt vs. Uruguay 6:15 8 a.m. Group B, Morocco vs. Iran 6:15 11 a.m. Group B, Portugal vs. Spain 6:16 3 a.m. Group C, France vs. Australia 6:16 7 a.m. Group D, Argentina vs. Iceland 6:16 9 a.m. Group C, Peru vs. Denmark 6:16 12 p.m. Group D, Croatia vs. Nigeria 6:17 5 a.m. Group E, Costa Rica vs. Serbia 6:17 8 a.m. Group F, Germany vs. Mexico 6:17 11 a.m. Group E, Brazil vs. Switzerland 6:18 5 a.m. Group F, Sweden vs. Korea Republic 6:18 8 a.m. Group G, Belgium vs. Panama 6:18 11 a.m. Group G, Tunisia vs. England 6:19 5 a.m. Group H, Colombia vs. Japan 6:19 8 a.m. Group H, Poland vs. Senegal 6:19 11 a.m. Group A, Russia vs. Egypt 6:20 5 a.m. Group B, Portugal vs. Morocco 6:20 8 a.m. Group A, Uruguay vs. Saudi Arabia 6:20 11 a.m. Group B, Iran vs. Spain 6:21 5 a.m. Group C, Denmark vs. Australia 6:21 8 a.m. Group C, France vs. Peru 6:21 11 a.m. Group D, Argentina vs. Croatia 6:20 5 a.m. Group E, Brazil vs. Costa Rica 6:20 8 a.m. Group D, Nigeria vs. Iceland 6:20 11 a.m. Group E, Serbia vs. Switzerland 6:23 5 a.m. Group G, Belgium vs. Tunisia 6:23 8 a.m. Group F, Korea Republic vs. Mexico 6:23 11 a.m. Group F, Germany vs. Sweden 6:24 5 a.m. Group G, England vs. Panama 6:24 8 a.m. Group H, Japan vs. Senegal 6:24 11 a.m. Group H, Poland vs. Colombia 6:25 7 a.m. Group A, Saudi Arabia vs. Egypt 6:25 7 a.m. Group A, Uruguay vs. Russia 6:25 11 a.m. Group B, Iran vs. Portugal 6/25, 11 a.m. Group B, Spain vs. Morocco 6/26, 7 a.m. Group C, Australia vs. Peru 6/26, 7 a.m. Group C, Denmark vs. France 6/26, 11 a.m. Group D, Iceland vs. Croatia 6/26, 11 a.m. Group D, Nigeria vs. Argentina 6/27, 7 a.m. Group F, Korea Republic vs. Germany 6/27, 7 a.m. Group F, Mexico vs. Sweden 6/27, 11 a.m. Group E, Switzerland vs. Costa Rica 6/27, 11 a.m. Group E, Serbia vs. Brazil 6/28, 7 a.m. Group H, Japan vs. Poland 6/28, 7 a.m. Group H, Senegal vs. Colombia 6/28, 11 a.m. Group G, England vs. Belgium 6/28, 11 a.m. Group G, Panama vs. Tunisia 6/30, 7 a.m. Round of 16 Match 50, Group C winner vs. Group D runner-up 6/30, 11 a.m. Round of 16 Match 49, Group A winner vs. Group B runner-up 7/1, 7 a.m. Round of 16 Match 51, Group B winner vs. Group A runner-up 7/1, 11 a.m. Round of 16 Match 52, Group D winner vs. Group C runner-up 7/2, 7 a.m. Round of 16 Match 53, Group E winner vs. Group F runner-up 7/2, 11 a.m. Round of 16 Match 54, Group G winner vs. Group H runner-up 7/3, 7 a.m. Round of 16 Match 55, Group F winner vs. Group B runner-up 7/3, 11 a.m. Round of 16 Match 56, Group H winner vs. Group G runner-up 7/6, 7 a.m. Quarterfinal Match 57, Match 49 winner vs. Match 50 winner 7/6, 11 a.m. Quarterfinal Match 58, Match 53 winner vs. Match 54 winner 7/7, 11 a.m. Quarterfinal Match 59, Match 51 winner vs. Match 52 winner 7/7, 7 a.m. Quarterfinal Match 60, Match 55 winner vs. Match 66 winner 7/10, 11 a.m. Semifinal Match 61, Match 57 winner vs. Match 58 winner 7/11, 11 a.m. Semifinal Match 62, Match 59 winner vs. Match 60 winner 7/14, 7 a.m. Third place Match 63, Match 61 loser vs. Match 62 loser 7/15, 8 a.m. Final Match 64, Match 61 winner vs. Match 62 winner. I hereby consent to receive additional information from Major League Soccer, its clubs, Soccer United Marketing and its marketing partners in accordance with our privacy policy and terms of service.